Before we start our main project, we need to know what is embedded system. A embedded system, a specialized computerized system which is designed to do for specific task in a control system or a industrial applications. The embedded system is used in wide operation from industrial manufacturing equipment to the domestic appliance. In domestic sectors, we have a TV remote, AC, washing machine, air conditioner, and robotic arms in robo-wars, in gaming, in medical devices, in telecommunication equipments, in cars like ECU, and in motion sensors, camera. In every field, the embedded system is widely used. The embedded system is defined to be done a small computer program with such a memory to perform a specialized task in a very good manner. We can classify embedded system into performance based and based on the performance of the microcontroller. The microcontroller can be used in real-time environment, standalone devices, network devices, and mobile devices. A real-time system is the devices where the time constraint is more complex and it has to be run is more similar to the user interface time interrupt. A standalone devices can be given as a calculator which can be done a specific perform with a specific memory and in a same working environment. A network architecture using external communication sources like a Wi-Fi and Ethernet or any device communication protocol to communicate with other devices. A mobile devices or a mobile embedded system in the classification we can consider devices dedicated for a crucial and flexible working environment. These microcontrollers can be classified in small scale, medium scale, and sophisticated. A small scale microcontroller can be used in the small specific application like a toys, domestic appliance, and safety equipments. And medical in medium size embedded system devices can be used in factories, conveyor belts, industrial applications, and uh, domestic and commercial applications. These are the some classification of embedded systems. So we can get a closer idea how the embedded system can be used in every field of applications. The embedded system today we are going for the closed look on washing machine. For that washing machine, we need to get how to write a program that is called embedded C. Embedded C is most similar to the C program which is used to generate a code to in an IDE environment to perform a specific operation over the microcontroller. The first classification is the types of variable which is used in embedded C. In embedded C, we can use variables like static, instance, and local variable. A static variable is most commonly or similar to the constant variable. Throughout the program, the variable will not be changed and will not be varied or will not be forced to be changed. An instance variable is like a global variable which is can be used throughout the program inside the loop or inside the class variable. A local variable is uses consumption a less space and these variables are used within the small range of program, so it cannot be worked outside the loop statements or outside the bracket of the so on program. Next, we can go for the different data types which are used in embedded C. There are some data types like character data types, unsigned character, integer data types, and unsigned integer. A 1 byte contain a 8 bit of data. So, signed character ranges from negative 128 to positive 128 decimal values. The 1 bit of a 8 bit data is assigned for symbol of negative to represent or to make a differentiate between a negative numbers and a positive number. Then unsigned character are we cannot use any negative values, so that we can get a higher range of decimal values from 0 to 255. So this type of character is mostly used where there is no such a use of unsigned integers. Then integers are signed integers. Its consumption uses a 2 bytes of memory, which ranges from minus 32,768 to 32,767, where the 1 bit of a byte is used for to represent the negative symbol or negative direction of these data types or of the data decimal number. In unsigned integer, we use a 2 bytes which has more ranges around 0 to 65, 535, and these data types is huge and it can be used in the larger programs and in the larger controller systems.